Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you an interesting structure as you see on the screen. This Love&Hate is meaningful sculpture made for public space and unity among the European by the artist Florentine Weiss from Germany. This monumental steel structure reads love on the one side and hate on the other. It is like one-word poem with a strong message for the world to spread love. Having traveled for 10 years across more than 20 countries in Europe and the USA to spread the message worldwide. This oversized letter is believed to be a democratic artwork, a platform for collective communication between people of all nations and backgrounds. That is it for now. I hope it was informative to know about this modern artwork and to explore similar things. Stay tuned until next.